that I'm using. But the question is, am I abusing? Invested in the residents of Pico Union. Drug intrusion, color fusion, invasion of your senses. Maintain relapse, dilate night lenses. My dependence on the chemical, artificial dreams is what makes my habit obsolete.
What do you do? And what do you do to get your hand on your shit, motherfucker? What kind of dirty tricks you do to get yourself fixed? Oh, shit, get that. Lack of love or lack of your withdrawal. True. I need feminine venoms and the system in order to function with the rhythm.
Tinted like a dark shadow, my mind is cloudy. Subliminal commands to penetrate, then I get rowdy. Conditions drowsy, the sedative brings negative energy. I slump down and stare ahead of me. Powerful like methamphetamines, my state is altered. This year's so live, hydroponic, chronic. Got you feeling all erotic. Aphrodisiac, who's got it? Alvarado maniac, prison time fine. Time when you find a fix, you get in the mix, there's no denying. Drugs be the only fact that got me in rapture. Make an addict out of you and proceed to catch
Your mind, so cold to your home. Skull, substance uncontrol. Hold, straight, keys to locks. And a lock, keep, hold. The structure of my trip is unstoppable. Up in the hit to the dot, all powerful. We go, the rage that remain. Living the last days in the haze of purple my crew.
I remember when I was a high school star, had prom queen scholarship, brand new car. It's funny, you never know who your friends are. Till you lose all your sensibilities through the jar. From the act right, but I'm all wrong. No one in my family, no one to have nothing to do with me. Humiliation, neglect, no respect. The concept of rehabilitation has been swept. I wish I was clean, a far-fetched dream. But what other way am I gonna blow off my steam? Heaven's all in this bottle of juice, making me feel high, making me feel loose.
I know where to turn to, no one trusts me. I don't even trust myself.
In my pad right now, you know what I mean?
Your familia, let me bring it down, meet out. Your plain motherfuckers stand up like
Ugh.